Storage, another shop infrastructure build. Today I'm talking about how to store paints, not big cans of house latex paints. I'm talking about small bottles. These happen to be acrylic paints used for models and miniatures. My son and I have gotten into painting these things. These happen to be Dungeons and Dragons miniatures, and they're really fun to paint. The same goes for scale models. Here's a model airplane, a P-40 Warhawk. Anyway, my current method for storing these paints is less than ideal. They're in here, if you get them out, they're falling over, what have you. Online, I've looked, and there are a number of great options for storing these paints. Probably one of the best is this stadium or auditorium style staging of your paints where they're on tiers. The problem with that is it takes up a lot of desk space, and as I've lamented about a lot on this channel, I have limited space in my shop, in my world. So I thought about this, and I came up with what I think is a pretty good solution. A nice compromise between having them stored away and having them out in a way that you can access them easily. Have a look at that build.